Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. This is Romana Ali. I hope you all are doing well. In today's class, let us start a new lesson, and the name of our lesson is Who Does What Work? So here in this lesson, we are going to discuss about the different professions, the different persons who do the different works. Okay, this picture tells you about the Kamala's family. So Kamala, she is a girl. She is living with her parents, grandparents, and with her younger brother. So if you look at the picture, if you observe this picture, then you can see that all the family members are involved in one or the other work. All are helping each other. So if you see the picture, then we can easily understand, we can easily say that Kamala's mother, she is washing. Kamala's father, he is cutting the log. Kamala's brother, he is busy in sweeping and cleaning the ground. And Kamala's grandfather, he is watering the plants. Kamala's grandmother, she is hanging the clothes on the rope so that it can be dried under the sunlight. And Kamala, she is bringing the water in the pot so that it can be used to carry out all the different household works. So इस तरह से कमला के जितने भी फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं सारे एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हैं और इस हेल्प करने से काम बहुत ज़्यादा आसान हो जाता है. Kamala's mother and father, both of them work together in the house, right? And even the different members, grandfather, grandmother and her brother, all of them involved in the different activities, in the different household works. So if all the family members unite and do the work, then the family can be run. They do the different work in order to run the family smoothly. Okay, so in this way, by looking at this picture, we came to know that if in a family all the members work together, then there will be no burden on any one of the family member of the work. तो अगर साथ में मिलकर कोई भी काम किया जाए तो वो काम बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान हो जाता है. तो इसी तरीके से हर फैमिली मेम्बर्स को चाहिए कि काम बांट कर करें, बिकॉज शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग. If you share the work properly among the different family members, they can carry out the different tasks, different household works, and the family can run smoothly. All the family members, they do different kinds of work. For example, the mothers in the family, they usually cook the food, they washes the clothes and utensils and all these things. And if you see the fathers of the family, then they earn the money by doing the different works outside the home. So in such a way, all the family members are involved in different tasks in order to run the family. And besides the work at home, there are so many other works that can be carried out by the different family members, like they work in the agricultural fields, factories, industries, in the shops. So in this way, not only at home but out of the home also, there are so many tasks that can be carried out by the different family members. So here in this lesson, we are going to see the different professions. We know that mothers and the other family members, they can carry out the different household works by sharing among them. Some of the works are present which can be shared, and some of the works are there that cannot be shared by all. Only adults can do that work, so they will do that. Besides this, there are so many other people. Besides family members, there are so many other people who are working in the village and who help the other people. We cannot survive alone on the earth. We need family members. We can stay happily with our family, and along with the family members, there are so many other persons who are having so much of skills, and that persons carry out the different work. So the persons who are having skills to do the different kinds of work, we call them as professionals. So profession is the skill of doing any work. Let us talk about the different kinds of professions that you can see in your village, in your surroundings. Okay, here the list of professions are given. The pictures of different professions are given in your reader. So if you see this picture, then this is Samakka. She weaves basket. She weaves baskets, she make the different decorative and attractive baskets, and she sells them in the market. So the people who need these baskets, they will purchase by giving the money to Samaka. In this way, she earns money because of her skill of weaving the baskets. So in this way, it's her profession. Profession is nothing but the skill of doing anything which helps the people in their livelihood. The next one is the picture of Venkana. He mends shoes, and Komaraya, he cuts hair. Shankaraya, he does woodwork. So in this way, by looking at these pictures, we can easily identify that our needs can get fulfilled not only by our family members but by other peoples who are living in the village, who are doing the different works in order to earn money, in order to survive, right? So our needs not only fulfilled by our family members but by these other professionals also. So in this way, there are different kinds of works that can be carried out by the different people in the village, and we should always help other people. If anyone is in need, we should try to fulfill their needs. There would be people in your village working. Some people, they are the sweepers. They sweep and clean the surroundings. They clean the drainages of the village. So this kind of work is also carried out by the different persons, but you should not think that this is the least profession or the cheap work, because each and every profession is equally important. So you should pay respect towards each and every profession. In this way, you can help the other people and you can also fulfill your needs. तो यहाँ पर प्रोफेशंस के बारे में बात की जाए तो कोई भी स्किल का होना जिससे आप मनी अर्न कर पाओगे, जिससे आप अपनी इनकम बना पाओगे, उस चीज़ को हम प्रोफेशन बोलेंगे. तो कोई भी पीपल बास्केट्स वीव करके या फिर शूज़ को मेंड करके या हेयर्स कट करके या फिर कोई भी वुड वर्क करके अर्न कर सकता है मनी. इसके लिए ये सारे प्रोफेशंस कहलाए जाते हैं. फैमिली मेम्बर्स के अलावा बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोफेशंस हैं जो बाहर विलेज में देखने को मिलेंगे, और इन प्रोफेशनल्स की वजह से ही हमारे बहुत सारे नीड्स फुलफिल हो पाते हैं. तो इफ़ वी हेल्प अदर्स देन अदर पीपल कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प अस. और हमेशा हर प्रोफेशन को रेस्पेक्ट पे करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हर एक प्रोफेशन इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. सो वी नीड ऑल द प्रोफेशंस फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी. Therefore, we should always pay respect to all the professions. Let us talk about the last topic of your lesson, working children. Working children means the children who cannot be able to go to school because of certain personal reasons and due to which they work. This is not a good practice. So the children, they should go to school. They have right to educate themselves. So the parents should always enroll their children into the school. They should always support their children to get education, because the children, they have the right to educate. But here one story is given. So if you look at this picture, then she is Kamala, and her father is a farmer and her mother is a laborer. They go to work, but Kamala, she don't go to school. She wants to go to school, but she can't because she looks after her younger sister. If after the parents of Kamala left for the job, she is the only one who can look after her younger sister. So she don't go to school and she stays at home. Whenever she gets the free time, she takes out her books and she starts to read. This shows the Kamala's interest towards studies, but because of certain responsibilities that are given by her parents, she can't be able to move to this. She can't be able to go to school, and she can't have the education. But this is not good. Every children should go to school in order to get the education. Every parent should enroll their children into the school. The personal issues should be denied, it should be ignored, and all the attention should pay towards the children education. Then only they can make their future, and then only they can make their children a good person, a good citizen in their society. So in this lesson we talked about the different professions. We saw that besides the family member, there are so many other people who are working for the development of the society and also for the welfare of the people, and even they are earning money for themselves too. And we have also seen that the children who wants to study, they have the total rights to go to school and to get the education. So this was there in the lesson, who does what work. I hope it's clear to you. I'll be back with a new lesson. Thank you.